Hi guys, today I will be explaining about how to do live a chat with Clipchamp customer support. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your application, and once it will be open, sign in your account and Clipchamp because it is the mandatory of signing in your account in Clipchamp. Then you can do a live chat because they will talk with you by your official email. But sometime they also chat through application. So once you do everything, time to do a live chat with the customer support of Clipchamp. Take a look on the right top, you will see multiple options from these. You have to tap on this option, which is look like a question mark. Once you will click on it here, you will see the option of help and learning. This one is support chat. Just click on it. Here you can see the option of live chat. I already opened this, and here you can see the message. But when you will try to open this for the first time, they will ask you a question and maybe about the topic. So just write your name and topic. The next thing is you can write your question and they will answer your question. And here you can see, thank you for chatting with Microsoft Clipchamp, and they will get back to you in the next 12 business hours. And here you can also read through this chat or with your email. Now ask you a question and get answered by the Clipchamp support. And it was the way by which you can do a live chat with Clipchamp customer support.